Are you having trouble downloading files on Gmail after a recent update? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to fix Gmail not downloading files on your PC. First things first, let's start with a simple solution: restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or conflicts that may be causing the issue. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists. A weak or intermittent connection can sometimes prevent files from downloading properly. It's also a good idea to check for device updates. Ensure that your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with apps like Gmail. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with the functionality of certain apps, including Gmail. Disabling them may help resolve the issue. If none of these solutions work, don't worry. You can always reach out to Gmail support for further assistance. Contact their official support channels and explain the issue you're experiencing. They should be able to provide you with the necessary help to get your files downloading properly again. In conclusion, if you're having trouble downloading files on Gmail after a recent update, try restarting your device, checking your internet connection, updating your device's software, disabling VPN or proxy services, and contacting Gmail support if needed. With these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and get back to using Gmail smoothly. Thank you for watching, and good luck with fixing Gmail not downloading files on your PC.